Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and updates from the world of technology. In today's video, we will be discussing the ongoing battle between two tech giants Bing and Bard. Both companies offer search engine services but go about it in different ways. So, let's dive into the Bing contra Bard debate. Bing and Bard are two search engines vying for attention in the highly competitive tech industry. Bing is owned by Microsoft and was launched in 2009, while Bard is a relatively new entrant to the market, having been founded in 2019. While both search engines offer similar services, the key difference lies in their approach to search algorithms. Bing offers users a more traditional search experience by presenting them with a list of websites that are relevant to the search term. It uses complex algorithms to rank these websites based on a variety of factors, such as domain authority, metadata, and content relevance. Bard, on the other hand, is focused on providing search results based on user intent. It uses machine learning algorithms to understand the context of the search query and present relevant results. The user experience on both search engines is quite different. Bing is more cluttered with ads, while Bard has fewer ads and a cleaner interface. However, Bing offers a wider range of search options such as images, videos, and news, while Bard is limited to text-based search results. When it comes to market share, there is no question that Bing dominates the market with a 7.8% share globally. Meanwhile, Bard's market share is still too small to be accurately measured yet. Both Bing and Bard are putting in efforts to stay innovative and relevant. Bing has recently been investing heavily in machine learning to improve their search results, while Bard has been focusing on developing its own voice assistant called Birch. So, which search engine is better, Bing or Bard? The answer really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a more traditional search experience with a wider range of search options, Bing might be your best bet. But if you're focused on finding results based on user intent, Bard might be worth checking out. Either way, it's clear that both search engines are making